Now let me create a report for mobile reimbursements as well. I will click on create new report, and this time I'll select the policy as registration based claims. My report name could be anything meaningful, description of the purpose of the report, and you can either change the cost center if you wish to charge this expense report to a different cost center, or you can keep it as it is, as these details are copied from your employee profile. Now you can go ahead and click on create new report. On the top you see the description, the report name, and the amount, which is 0 as no expenses have been added yet. On the right you see delete report button if you wish to delete the report, and the submit report button. Over here you see the current status of the report, which keeps changing as and when you submit or when the report is approved. Report number is a uniquely generated Concur ID, which is an identifier for the current report. Now let me go ahead and add an expense. You can either add an expense from available expense list, which appear once you scan a receipt through the OCR technology from a Concur mobile app or a web application. Or you can create a new expense by selecting create new expense. Under create new expenses you have mobile reimbursement and maternity travel reimbursement, which both are registration based expenses and require a prior registration before you claim. Click on mobile reimbursement. You will see this form appearing. Select a bill date. Add bill number. Business purpose is optional, but I'll add it here if needed. I can search for a city of purchase or use my recently used list to select it. I will select the mobile amount that I want reimbursed. You can also see your mobile number and make sure that this is the number that is being claimed for. I will select the receipt status as receipt and add my receipt. On add available receipts, I will click on upload new receipt. Let me toggle to and add a dummy phone bill. Now I click on save expenses. You can see your approver by going into report details and selecting report timeline. As this is already pre-registered, the approval workflow would directly go into finance processor, and there is no manager approval required for the same. Now I can go ahead and submit this report. The report is submitted and it is pending in accounting review, as you see here. You can also view your remaining mobile amount by getting into applications and selecting budget dashboards. Here you can see the spent amount, your total budget for mobile, spent amount, what is pending with open expense reports which are submitted, and how much is remaining. Once you exhaust the amount over here, you will get an error when trying to submit the expense report for that financial year.